Welcome back to my channel. This is Stephsgotit, and today we have got an unboxing. It's Unboxing Wednesday. Alright, so this is one of my DACs that I have not opened yet. So it's pretty heavy. I'm thinking there are probably two in here, but then it may be just one big one. So I'm not sure. But we're gonna crack this bad boy open today. And I have marked on here, oh my goodness, that this came on July the 8th. Oh my gosh. That can't be right. We're just in May. That would be July of last year, 2019. Wow. Okay. Well, let's crack this bad boy open. Let's see. I got my knife. I got a bit of a different setup here than usual. You know, I'm always playing with the setup, but it's because in this COVID-19 era, I am also a fitness instructor, Zumba instructor, and a fitness instructor, certified fitness instructor. But I have this set up for my Zoom, for my Zoom classes for Zoom breaks. You can see I have some of my Zumba stuff sitting over there for backdrop. And so let's see what's in here. Yep, it's 3. Okay, cool. Well, let's go with from the smallest to the biggest. There's the biggest. There's the next smallest. Okay, let's just pull those out. I'm not gonna look at them. Put them over here, and then we'll take out the littlest. Ooh, the littlest one. I'm not gonna look at that either. All right, so the littlest one, as you can see, is, oh, isn't he cute? This is one that you can also get in the, if you do one of those online deals, but this is a 20 by 25, and I am not going to open this because this is going to go in a giveaway for the channel when we hit 500 subscribers. So we're not going to open that. The next size is, that was our tiny, and this is our next size up, and it is, oh yeah. Let's open this up so you can get a good look at it. I'm not going to look at the big one. I'm going to try my best not to look, flip it down, not to look at it so that I can be as surprised as you are. Of course, you're not super surprised because you read the title already. But let's see. Let's open this bad boy up. Here are our drills, and there's our painting, and here's our toolkit. So this is DAC toolkit, and you can see that this is a square. All right, and let's show you what you get in your toolkit. Pen, diamond painting pen. You get tweezers, and these are the very pointy tweezers, the kind that could take your eye out in a heartbeat. Okay, so you get these when you order a square. You get a clear boat with a spout. You know I love a good spout. And you get, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 of these little baggies. So you see, 6 little baggies. You get a blue squishy. Seems to be they don't offer colors anymore. Everybody gets blue. And you get 2 heart-shaped wax. Oh, and you get a multi-placer. This is, doesn't say, looks like about a 6 placer. So it's about a 6. And really, these are super sharp, so you don't want to have those around kids because they will seriously injure you or themselves. All right, let's check out our drills. So you can see there the number DAC 0571. All right, let's get that open. Crinkle, crinkle alert. Stop your ears or shut off your sound for about 10 seconds. Wow. Whoa, there are your drills. And that's it. All right, so let's put that to the side. Don't look at it. And let's look at our drills. Okay, so DAC 6595. Look at that. They're babies. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. We got some ABs. Yes. We got some ABs. We got some ABs. We got some ABs. Woo-hoo. Look at those. It's a lot. Wow. All right. To start off, we have 307. All right. See what the painting actually is. What did I do with it? Okay, here we go. We're going to both look at it together forever. So let's unroll it down here. We're going to roll it back on itself so that we don't see it. Almost look down. Roll. Here we go. Roll back. Oh, she's not being cooperative. Okay, we can both at least see this much. Oh, no, that might tell us what it is. Roll it back, roll it back. There we go. I think we have it, see? Okay. There we go. Roll, roll, roll. I'm just going to fast forward through this, guys. So. Okay, so we got it rolled. All right, let's twist it around a bit. All right, we got it. All right, were you able to guess what it was? All right, you ready? Are we ready? Oh my gosh. That's why it had a July date on it. Everyone has seen this because so many people have unboxed this one. So, sorry guys, I was hoping it would be one of the less featured ones that hasn't been unboxed a lot. Sorry, but I wanted to open it and be as surprised as you were when I saw it. So, none of us are surprised because we've all seen this unboxed 100 times. But here you go, my version of it. Oh, it's pretty though. She is gorgeous. Just in case, on the off chance that you are watching my channel and you have not seen this unboxed 100 times already, here she is. And this is, oh, I forgot the name. Let's see. This is Mama Knows. Okay. Mama Knows Best, and it's a 47 by 84 centimeters. Again, this is one of DAC's Diamond Art Club Cadillac of Diamond Paintings. It's beautiful. I can't wait to work on her. And, ooh, there you go. All right. But we were correct if you were guessing. I think this is one of Mandy's. I can't remember now. It's been so long I can't remember anything about this painting. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me today for another edition of Stephsgotit. And I'm sorry it wasn't one of the less featured, less publicized paintings, but yeah, you still got to unbox it and we got to see it together. And you did get 2 other unboxings. Well, 1.5 because we didn't open the owl. Yeah, So that's our unboxing. Sorry, I was looking at the computer, forgetting the cameras over here. That's our unboxing Wednesday for today. Join us tomorrow for our whip and chat with our paint by numbers, which I am reviewing for Victoria's Moon. And I'm also going to do a special unboxing because I'm going to use that and show you how I use it right after I unbox it. Especially since you didn't get a new diamond painting, sorry. But it's still beautiful. It's still diamond art color. Oh, oh. You just gotta love the feel. They are so silky and velvety and smooth. Anyway, okay, so remember, hun, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, you're always free to give it a thumbs down. You do you, boo. But I hope you give it a thumbs up. With that being said, I'd like to wish you a good COVID quarantine week. This is hump day, so hump it out, hump it out, hump it out. Get it going. All right? So remember, honey, if you are having a good day, help someone else have a good day. It's the small and simple things in life that makes life worth living. Love and shimmies.